Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how to overwrite software from biosecurity to CV security. Here is the biosecurity software I have already installed and added some data. Now I will show how to overwrite to CV security software. This is the installer of CV security software. Right click on it and run as administrator. Click on it. Here you need to select the language and click on OK. Here you have to select Overwrite Installation. Click on Overwrite Installation. Click on Next. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on Next. Click on Next and click on Install. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish button and now open CV Security software. Here you can see the CV Security software. Click on it. Wait for some time until the software gets open and then log in with the username and password which was given to biosecurity. And now here you can see all the modules, and then you can also check the data which was present in biosecurity will also reflect here. This is how you need to overwrite the software from biosecurity to CV security. Thank you for watching this video.